You too, bro. You too. Why does this have to happen to me? So I know you guys already know by the post I made on Instagram that I got into an accident with the SRT. Let me show you guys, bro. Look at this. So this is what happened. I was driving. I was making a left turn, and the car ran a light, and boom, spot me from this side right here. Boom, it took my whole bumper, bro. My whole bumper and my radiator bracket freaking broke. Look at that, my lights. I gotta have to get a new bumper, a hood. Look at this, a hood, quarter panel. Look at this. Let's check out the other side real quick. And this quarter panel also too, cause look, it dented right here on the inside. And my door, my driver's door doesn't really open up completely. It's because of that. But yeah, I got the stuff in the inside. I'm gonna take them around to show you guys what happened. At least one light got saved. Look at that. Nah, low key, I be thinking, but somebody was praying on my downfall. Somebody wanted me to this will happen. Look, SRT badge is cut. I'm gonna have to order a new one on TikTok. I got that. I think this goes in the bumper. I'm not too sure, but we got that. And then we also got this piece of shit. This shit was already cooked, child. So look at that. I tied it with a zip tie. That shit was uncooked. But let's see what else we got. Oh my god, this shit fucking my seat. Damn. Oh, this is the fucking the top part of the fucking bumper. Look at this. Look at my light. We got my freaking, I think this is a side bumper. Yeah, you think I can low-key save these or not? The wire flew out. But I'm gonna pop them out just in case. But look at that, that's really all we have, chat. By the bumper. So I brought it over to my uncle's. He has a body shop. He's gonna fix it up. He's gonna work his magic. Oh my god, look, this is the sensor. I turned on the car and it was telling me that I had crashed. So this is the sensor that goes in the front bumper that tells me like every time I would drive fast, my car it would sense it when I was like I was about to crash and it would tell me to brake. So damn, look, this is the thing. That's why my dash is saying that I crashed and shit. But I think that's it on the parts. But everything from the inside, everything is good, chat. Like I drove over here, it drives good. But when I turn, I can feel the tire scraping the. But I'm not sad, chat. I know it can be fixed. And chat, let me tell you a little secret. I have freaking hit my door like a couple weeks earlier at a gas station. I was at the gas station. I was in a rush, and I had put my car in park. I thought I put it in park, but I put it in reverse, and I got out. And you know, at the gas station they have poles. My car like slowly like went back and hit the pole, bro. But we gonna say it was part of the accident, so I can fix it. But yeah, guys. So y'all coming on after this? I'm gonna go pick up the front bumper, the fenders, and I found it already on Facebook, so we better go make that little quick play, and we're gonna be right back. Guys, so look, we successfully got the 2 quarter panels for the wide body. The only thing the guy didn't have was the front bumper. So we're still on the hunt for that. I got the support for the lights and the quarter panel. So let's keep on looking for that bumper. Oh, and if you guys want the Hellcat badge, I'm giving it out for free. Just let me know, cause I don't need that shit. So out we go, and that boys tap in. Oh. Well, chat. Look what we have here. We found a red eye hood. What's it called? It only makes sense that I get the red eye hood because I have a red eye. But I'm really excited that I got this, that I finally found this, because I've been wanting to get one of these, but I never really was interested. But now that the hood is messed up, we're gonna put a red eye hood on the Scat. So let's take it to the shop and drop it off so I can get painted. And we still on the hunt for the front bumper. So once I get that, I'll show you guys, and we'll put everything on the car and let's go. So we just got a late night find of the RGB lights that I was looking for. Look at this, guys. I've done basically found everything in a short amount of time. I got the other light right here, look. And I got the red eye hood right here. Came to drop it off on my uncle's shop, because he already basically has everything, the 2 quarter panels, the light support bracket, and the radiator support, and he's gonna give me the bumper, the wide body bumper, and he's gonna paint everything, and boom, that should be it. Hopefully he finishes this week so I can pop out and show you guys. But that come over here, but look where the heck my uncle left my damn quarter panel with my exclusive badge. Bro, he left it out here in the open, bro. Somebody can easily just boom come over here and yank this shit off, bro. The flare, the white body flare looks like it's okay. It's just the quarter panel, so I might save this just in case something happens to the other. And yeah, but thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's a sad one, but what's it called? We gonna get back on our feet and come up from this little minor setback. So thank you guys, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we out.